Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the third line we have a button Disconnect, and you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, click at this button. You will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select unpair and click at the Forget the Device button, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let me disconnect it. And as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection, but still have it as the device list, so I can easily reconnect them with my phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!